Character sketch of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela was born on July 18, 1918. He was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary politician and philanthropist who served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black executive and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. His government focused on dismantling the legacy of apartheid through tackling institutionalized racism and fostering racial reconciliation. Politically, an African nationalist and democratic socialist, he served as president of the African National Congress ANC from 1991 to 1997. Internationally, Mandela was Secretary General of the Non Aligned Government from 1998 to 1999. A Xhosa born to the Tambo royal family, Mandela attended Fort Hare University and the University of Witwatersrand, where he studied law. Living in Johannesburg, he became involved in anti colonial politics, joining the ANC and becoming a founding member of its youth league. After the African minority government of the National Party established apartheid in 1948, he rose to prominence in the ANC's 1952 anti apartheid defiance campaign. He was appointed superintendent of the organization's Transvaal chapter and presided over the 1955 Congress of the People. Working as a lawyer, he was repeatedly arrested for seditious activities and with the ANC leadership was unsuccessfully prosecuted in the Trajan trial from 1956 to 1961. Influenced by Marxism, he secretly joined the South African Communist Party SACP. Although initially committed to non-violent protest, in association with SACP, he co-founded the militant Umkhonto we Sizwe MK in 1961, leading a sabotage campaign against the apartheid government. In 1962, he was arrested, convicted to conspiracy to overthrow the state, and sentenced to life imprisonment in the Rivonia trial. Nelson Mandela passed away on December 5, 2013. Thank you, Sabir Hussain, instructor.